right? Let me know in the comment box. So it's called a Rungu family. Rungu. So I guess the kids can maybe enjoy this mall a little.
Yeah.
So they actually, don't get too bored.
No, I think this has been good for everyone because as I said, it's hard to get a sense for everything.
Yeah.
Unless you go on a trip like this.
Yeah. So guys, the reason why this trip is important for you when you just come into a country and you're looking to, you want to live, or you want to invest, or you want to raise your family. The Nairobi city tour is very important, family, and that's the reason why we actually do it, to show you around, around the city, so you can see, what it's like. See another man selling rungu, yeah? May I ask him, how much for your rungu? How much? 1,500. All right. I'm what they say 1,500. It take a while before him answer. I'm looking at the camera. It take a while before he back up in mind. Yeah. I'm sure you guys have this thing in Europe, the big eye. It's called a big eye.
Yes.
Yeah, some nice. Look on those paintings, guys, over there. Very nice. Look at them. Nice painting. Right there.
Yeah.
This is called a big eye right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is like, I have one of the biggest. There's one called the Kafo Mega. Mega, but this one is like the second biggest one they have in Kenya. Yeah, so
Is this the one where
This is Two Rivers?
yeah, this is where I normally go.
This is Two Rivers, right?
Yeah, this is Two Rivers. So this is Two Rivers Mall. Yeah, Two Rivers Mall, fam. And as you know, guys, in Kenya security is tight, so you have to check up. Two Rivers Mall. Yeah, family. So we actually at upstairs, Two Rivers Mall. This is what the parking look like upstairs. I normally park at the basement, but I find like parking upstairs is better, family. So upstairs is where I normally park nowadays. Yeah, you get the fresh air. Downstairs is like so claustrophobic. So we like actually, to park upstairs. See the sunlight and everything, stuff like that. So I have to do the security check. Yeah. Then you have outside here, you can walk around. Junction Mall. That's however, if you guys want to drop home, that's fine. I'll drop you home if you want. But I don't know if you guys want to stay at the mall a little. Junction Mall. Yeah. So it depends on what you want. Yeah, we can do it in Safaricom here. There's a lot of store. Safaricom. You can go inside here.
Is it for your iPhone?
Yeah, you can get it there. Yeah, family. So we had actually Two Rivers Mall. So Two Rivers Mall, family. Upstairs, this is like the top floor. Two Rivers Mall. Two Rivers Mall. Yeah, family. So actually in Two Rivers Mall, just showing, them around, what it's like. That Two Rivers Mall is like. You know what I mean? So let's go, family. Let's go. Two Rivers Mall in Kenya. Barter store. Gangsta talking a gangsta walk. Two Rivers Mall. Now switch. So this is actually on the other side. So we're coming from the other side. This is on the other side. Yeah, family. So we're on Two Rivers Mall. Two Rivers Mall. So on this side you'll find like the restaurants and stuff. Restaurants and outdoor. Yeah. Hello, I'm good, I'm good. Oh, not today, not today. Not today, another day. Yeah, family. So it seems like they make a huge development here in Two Rivers. So we are going down to like the restaurant section, family. We have the restaurant section right there. Right there. Alright, family, so let's go. So we're going down. Two Rivers Mall. Two Rivers Mall. It's like 2 floors. Guys, touring with Jam Tours. Jam Tours Africa. Jam Tours. Kids player right there. Yeah, family, so we're on the ground floor, on the ground section at Two Rivers Mall. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, family. Two Rivers Mall. Kids are riding. Two Rivers Mall family. Where two rivers meet. So on that side they have the go-kart.
My son says it's too slow. That's not go-kart.
That's not go-kart.
Slow.
Yeah, family, so this is Two Rivers Mall. Yeah, family. So you guys know who you're touring with? Jam Tours Africa. So when you come to Kenya, family, link up with Jam Tours so you can see the city to open up your eye. You know what I mean? So yeah, family. So this is it. It's the Two Rivers Mall. It's a place where you have like games and stuff. Tactical sports where you can bust shot. Yeah, inside and stuff. So as you can see, yeah guys, the kids can ride their bike and stuff. As you can see. And on this side now, you know you have the Two Rivers Mall. You're coming down, right? You're coming down to the office? I'm at the office. All right, cool. Yeah.
The estimate, I guess, Airbnb,
Yes, it's.
A night.
Yeah, so this is like once you bought the investment opportunity. So they'll rent it out for you and do everything for you and stuff.
So they basically, are they guaranteed?
Yeah, they guarantee. Yeah, because.
Okay, so this is per night?
Yeah, per night.
Okay, so what's guaranteed? How many nights?
That one maybe for rental it's guaranteed, but for this one,
Okay,
not.
so this is guaranteed per month,
Yeah, per
of course.
month.
But this you can't guarantee because you don't know how many nights. I get it.
Okay.
But, okay, so that's nine nights basically.
Okay.
But monthly is a different deal, right? Because now you have a tenant per month, and that's easy to guarantee. But you could do 9 nights Airbnb and basically be at that level.
Yeah, so let's go look at the showroom family. So our brother can see what it's like. Let's get going, family. Okay. So hi, Dong. Michelle.
Yeah.
This is a sales manager here.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. So you want to see the 1 bedroom down? So we're gonna show him and then we'll come back.
Huh?
Only ground floor.
Only ground floor?
Yes.
For 1 bedroom. Okay.
Because you have 2 bedrooms and everything with this.
Look at the 2-bedroom.
Okay. Worry. Yes.
Yeah. 2 bedroom.
2 bedroom and visitor, yes.
All right.
Okay. So 2 bedroom there, you go to see. Go one.
All right. So I'll come back down.
So, okay.
Yeah. But for the 1 bedroom downstairs, it's deeply discount. It's like half price. Like you get a deep discount on it because no one really wanted it. So yeah, on the ground floor. Yeah.
There's so much noise.
Yeah. This is it's a 1 bedroom. Yeah, so for here. This is where you put the washing machine and stuff. This is the bathroom. Oh, this is a 2-bedroom. 2-bedroom. Yeah, family. So I'm sure you guys hear right that it's only the ground floor 1-bedroom is available, and it's actually going at a discounted price. And if you guys watching this, as you know, it's an apartment, so the ground floor, maybe you can talk to them and you can actually put a business on the ground floor if you like. That'd be a good thing for the ground floor. But a 1-bedroom, only ground floor available. Now we're looking at a 2-bedroom. So a 2-bedroom look like. So this is they have like 3 types. They have like 3 types of 2-bedrooms. So these are the smaller type.
Okay.
Yeah. So they have like 3 types. So there's 3 types of 2-bedroom. We have one that is superior, and then a medium, and then a small. Yeah. All right, family. Let's go. All right, family. So, guys, we're at the Loftel, and if you guys don't know, the Loftel is almost sold out right now. People are moving in, guys. As you can see, the gym equipments are in. So we had the Loftel, family. If you haven't get from the Loftel, and I think these equipment are so high tech. I never seen any of these equipment in Kenya before, as you can see. So this is the gym, family. And we have a pool right there. All of these things shipped in from China. As you can see, it's up-to-date stuff. Yeah, so as you can see, guys, it's up-to-date stuff. Yeah. So the pool is right behind there, and then yeah, and then you have the kids play area right there. There's a kids play area right here. Yeah, so the Loftel is coming together, family. It's coming together. So it's time for you. I'm doubt there's any apartment available. But you know, sometimes most people actually the sales agreement expire. So, you know, sometimes there can be apartments available. You know, if you're lucky. All right, so we're gonna go to the office to see what is available and to see what what I'm interested in. So let's go. Yeah, family. So at the Loftel, as you can see, they have a pool table. Not even actually come out a package yet. It's like come straight from China because it's very modern. Pool table, very modern. And also here, so family, them have like a table tennis thing right here going on. So trust me, guys, living at the Loftel, you can never be bored. You have sports to do, you have gym to do, you have pool to do. There's a place for the kids and stuff, family. So don't miss out, guys. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa is the end of this vlog. Like, share, and comment. One love. Bless. Jamaica. I'm out. Megan. Megan, I'm yard. I'm in my yard. All right, so let's go.